Alright you guys, so here is the first channel I'm going to be making about that is going to be starting with my MRT kit. So here at the beginning, like at the front, when you see, there's a lot of things here. I kind of put a sticker on here, don't need to worry about that. They also have some stuff here, and it has a lot of logos and interesting stuff, and how you can like place things into different things. At the back here, we have the logo, my MRT timeline. Here comes the things you should not do with the pieces inside of this kit, which it is a pretty useful kit and really fun to play with. So first, you're gonna have to clap this off, and then it comes down like this. Now, what you start here is by pulling this back, because it comes with this, and here comes with a lot of sets. It comes with 4 tires in total, which is what we're supposed to be getting. And here's the thing I kind of saw coming. Well, I thought that if this was a kit, it would need batteries. So then when I opened it, I kind of wanted to see what batteries we needed. So first thing we did is we checked the remote control. I was testing it and it didn't work. So then what I did is I looked at the back here, MRT Kit, it has the logo right here. You pull this down and then you bring it back up. Oh, wow, that hurt. Yeah, you kind of have to get stung by that. There's kind of no way to avoid that. Now, if you want to place this, you want to place this side on this spring. Like this, and like this. Then you're gonna close it again, but this time, you're gonna have to close it like this. You have to put the hole here. There's a hole here, so you need to place it in. You can't just slap it on. So yeah, just gotta smack that on, and there. Test if it works, click a button like this. See, it works. Okay, and now the next thing you need to prepare. Alright, now here's another thing you're gonna need batteries for. And it comes with this. It doesn't really come with the battery, so you guys are gonna have to look through the batteries. So this one has even more tinier batteries. For this one, it's been clamped on really hard, so I had to ask some people for help on doing this. So you're gonna repeat the same process. Put this metal part on the spring, and then whatever's left, you gotta roll the punches. Then you have to get 4 of them. So don't buy 2. It doesn't work. You're gonna have to waste even more money. And then you're finished. Oops. Make sure it's closed. Make sure this can close, otherwise it's not gonna. You need to make sure this can close right, because if it doesn't close right, then it might fall off, and then something might go wrong, and something might get pictures to the other person. So the first thing you guys are gonna need in order to make this thing work: tires. You guys are also gonna need some of these pieces from here. We are going to be needing some of these things too. And we're also gonna be obviously needing some blocks to like put everything on like that. We're also gonna be needing some controls and stuff like that. So let me get all the most important details out. So these are the things you guys are gonna be needing. And I'll be teaching you guys what you should do for every single step in order to make everything work. And then boop, 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 boop. And what else? I guess we also need this. Alright, and now you can start making your kit. I don't think you're gonna be needing anything else unless you wanna make designs. First thing you wanna do, you gotta make some area to put the wheels, I guess. So that's why we're also gonna be needing some extra blocks. So yeah, that's how we're gonna roll it off, I guess. So practically, for the tires, I recommend trying to like not place any of these blocks. You think some MRT kits come differently, because this one doesn't come with what I'm used to doing, but after a couple of days, I figured out what I'm supposed to be doing. Alright, so first, for the wheels, you need to get these. I think they're kind of oily, but I don't think it's supposed to come out like that. So we're gonna need 2. Now here's the thing, it comes with cables, and there's 2 cables for a reason. See this hole here? If you look on the side, you need to place this hole on. Like that. Whoa. Oh yes, the opposite direction. Kind of lost my mind there. Okay, you need to place these here, here. And you're done with the tires part. Not really. So for 2 tires, you're gonna need these. And then afterwards, you're going to need 2 of the longest sticks. Doesn't matter how much you're gonna need. I'm gonna keep this open because there's still more reason why I need this. And then here, you need to place this. There's a hole here, so you need to place this through here. And then you gotta place this here. Sometimes it doesn't always work, so you're gonna have to try to press it in a bit. I like to do it from the opposite side because from this side, it takes a little bit of longer grip. So I need to like immediately get to the grip part, and boom. Now, if you want to test which way you want to go, here's what you're going to need. There's another one of these things. See this thing? It's also one of the most useful things here. Well, everything here is pretty much useful. Oh my gosh, so oily. I think I'm going to have to get gloves on. So you need to place this in here to turn it on. Like that. You're going to need this part to turn it on. And then for this tiny cable here, you see these two cables? You're going to have to follow the holes here to place it. Then, what you can do, after you place this, turn it on and press mode 4. And then, what you're going to need is, boom. You're going to need a remote control. You're going to need one of these things. It says RC. So, yeah, you're going to be needing one of these. And around these holes, they should have carved the RC sign. R/C, and then it says it right here in the middle. So I'm just going to, what side does this go? This way, right? Yes. Goes this way. So just have to plug that in that way. Wow, this is really tough. Never saw anything like this tough. Alright, you're going to place it on your block you want it to be on. So remember, these two tiny parts are small, so you need to place them somewhere around here. I'm going to look where I'm placing them too, so I don't accidentally screw this up. Okay, wow, this is really small. There we go. Well, alright, you're going to need this. You're going to need a place for this, obviously, too. And then, you're going to, in the center, you're going to have to place the RC controller. See? Like this. This is how you're going to start things off. Afterwards, you have to place this thing here. It's kind of, I made it a little bit too small, but I should have done it a little bit bigger, which should have saved me a lot of extra time, actually. Kind of feel stupid for doing that. And then, what you need is the controller. Make sure this is on, and oops. Alright, so the forward button seems to go this way. So this is where we're facing. So then I'm going to have to repeat the same steps here. The only way this works is because I placed this here, which connects to the remote, and you got to place another one in this direction. So practically you're going to need 3 things. You're going to need the tire cable connected to here. You're going to need the battery pack connected to here. You're going to need the RC control connected here. And you need to also press the mode 4. Because I found out that this is the best mode to place stuff on. You're going to have to repeat the same pattern. I'm just going to hurry up and do it because like you guys already know what I'm doing. Oh, by the way, you need to place it this side because this is the easiest side to place things on. So place that right there. There's another one right here. And boom. You got your second tire, baby. And then I'm pretty sure you're going to have to face it this way with the arrows and stuff. Ooh. It gets a little bit difficult because the wires are in the way and everything. Okay. So these holes can only fit into the big ones right here. So I think you guys already figured that out. So yeah, you guys are just going to have to repeat the steps as I did. And you should get it right. And then if I do this, and then you face where you're going. Oopsies. Whoa. Alright, so if you have something like this that doesn't work, then it's probably because they're facing the opposite side. So it looks like you're gonna have to put this together like this. I think. Whoa. Alright, I think this is getting a little. I think I'm getting a little bit rusty with this MRT stuff. And boom, you got a mini MRT kit. Except that there's only one problem. I didn't really figure out how to make the movement part, but I guess if you press this button, it does make it move a little bit. So yeah. And I guess that will be the end of today's video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next channel, I guess.